In Japan, the CHR is sold at all Toyota dealership sales channels: Toyota Store, Toyo Pet Store, Corolla Store and Nets. The Japanese market CHR is powered by either 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, or 1.8-liter hybrid. The forward models are available with both engines, while the only motor for the AWD models is 1.2-liter turbo. Model grades are S, SLED, G, ST and GT. Models S, SLED, G are powered with a 1.2-liter turbo engine, while other models buy a 1.8-liter hybrid. LED package is exclusive for the G and S LED packages. You can watch more videos. Please subscribe my channel.